Should you buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the QQQ ETF. We previously shared an overview on our website, but now we're here to provide you with a more in-depth analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any potential developments that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our new AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.11. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has experienced a gain of 2.96%. This means that on average, the stock has returned 0.74% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 16.24% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 11.53% to 19.52%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a suggested 37.36% change over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 23.31% and 39.74%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $503.73 to $570.83 after 1 year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings good news: green day on Wednesday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.678% on Wednesday, January 10, 2024, reaching $408.50 from $405.75. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF experienced a 1.07% fluctuation, starting at a low of $405.17 and reaching a high of $409.52. The price has been somewhat volatile during this period, resulting in a 0.58% loss over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 33 million shares traded for approximately $13.58 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the QQQ ETF reached a peak of $412.92 and a low of $273.12. Currently, the price is 1.07% or $4.42 below the 52-week high of $412.92, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Today, let's take a look at the signals for the QQQ ETF. Currently, there are mixed signals in the ETF. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing a decline of -0.729%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. We also see a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock corrects downwards, there will be support at $401.88 and $398.47. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Despite prices rising, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning signal. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence signal indicates a sell. The pivot signal also indicates a sell, which occurred 10 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal is a buy signal that happened 15 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 4 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average shows a sell signal 6 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 45 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average gives a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal, which occurred 47 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ has two key support levels just below today's level. The first one is at $359.97, followed by $354.60. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $359.97 is broken, the next support levels will be at $354.60 and $343.66. However, QQQ tends to have very controlled movements and is considered to have low risk due to its good liquidity. On the last trading day, the ETF had a price range of $4.34, which is equivalent to a 1.07% movement. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of QQQ has been 1.23%. Before we explore the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's begin by discussing some essential fundamental data. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $409.16. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be worth waiting for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market heads downwards, QQQ encounters its first support level at $359.97. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $393.47, representing a decrease of 3.68%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 9 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that the current level may present a buying opportunity for the QQQ ETF. There is a fair chance that it will perform well in the short term. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, January 11th, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open down $0.772 and commence trading at $407.73. Before we dive into today's topic, let's address an important disclaimer. Trading comes with inherent risks, including the potential loss of money. It's crucial to seek guidance from a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Remember, StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge your own responsibility and accountability for your investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What's your target for the ETF? We'd love to hear from you. Also, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day.